When's the right time to replace your air conditioning and heating system? One of the hot topics in the industry is when do you replace your system? I've watched some other videos from some really great individuals, very knowledgeable in the industry, and there's so much variance out there as to the ideal time to replace your system based on individuals' belief systems. Now, what do I mean by that? Well, I was listening to this one individual. He was saying 17 to 18 years. You should be able to get your air conditioning and heating system last 17 to 18 years. Now, first thing I say is, would you get your car to last 17 or 18 years? I understand some people do, and I understand there's cars out there running 17 to 18 years. And hey, if that's your cup of tea, then go for it. However, the reality is automobiles are replaced every 2 and on the very high end 8 years, and that's because of the financing terms. But there's 2-year leases, there's 3-year leases. Typically, when an individual is done paying for the financed amount of their vehicle, they replace it. Why? It's typically out of warranty. The peace of mind is no longer there. Let's replace. Well, an HVAC system standard has a 5-year warranty, and you can get extended to 10 years if you register the equipment, except in states like California where it automatically goes from the 5 to the 10 year. And this is on residential equipment. Commercial equipment typically has a 1-year warranty. There are some manufacturers out there that have a 12-year warranty, but typically 10 is a good number to use. And that's a parts warranty. That's not labor, that's just parts, okay? So you could use that when your system's 10 years old, it might be time to consider a new unit for the same reason people consider a new vehicle. It's out of warranty. So the repairs now include a higher cost to replace components. You just don't have a labor cost, you have the parts cost. So that may be one method. The other method is efficiency, and is it working like it should?